Dr. Sarah Nakato uyu mushomesa Okubara mu itendekere lya Kabale kando yebembere mu hurru ya African Women in Algebra yashobora ngo ikigenderwa cyo mushomogu no kwenda ubwitira hamwe abakazi muri Africa urebeka ngo babasa kwerana umbitwe bikwaterine netibaro hamwe na science. Nakato yashobora ngo muri Africa harimo buremezi ubwo kugira ngo abakazi abari mu science ukutira munonga Okubara itari kumanywa ka mathematics nabatse munonga abwe mitekatekere y'abantu betu icyari kugira ngo nikibasa kwihwaho abakazi baguma nabahavurwa.
The biggest challenge we have in Africa, generally, actually all over the world, is we have very few women interested in mathematics, and that is mainly because of the attitude and gender-related propaganda, but we are trying to break those boundaries.
Muringo ngogume Professor Joy Constance Kwesiga uri umuhezi wa Chancellor witendekere lya Kabale University na higa government kurebeka ngo yabasa kongera habushagice ubwerukuta omashomero uteriho n'amatendekera gahiguru kurebeka ngo umuntu yarga hamtendero gwa primary ukika higuru ari kwetegereza ibintu byona ibyari kushoma harbaho ogu nashobora nagira ngo no government yehereyo ukongera hamushara ugwabashomesa ba science uteriho n'abandi bantu abarukora imirimo iri mu science tukiri kumara ukutereze byetengo ibiri mu ihanga ukutira munonga muri science.
The support given to schools, in laboratories, in textbooks, then also training the teachers how to bring girls into board and even boys to enjoy and love science. So you need both the facilities, the teachers must change, and then you have to look for programs to educate the boys and girls. Salary to a few teachers in Marushu, it helps those who are there, it motivates them, but it is not tackling the root cause.
Ibyo bikiri aho Associate Professor Sarah Nachuha na uwa itabo mu conference yayihanangiriza Abaishiki urebeka ngo bagumane behiti abantu abagize urumukoro muri science ukubasa kugira icyo babigeraho.
And this kind of environment is a very fertile space in terms of engagement, for knowledge generation, and also mentorship, because we have you, the young ones, and we want to inspire you, to mentor you to be like we.
Omushomogu gwabagugendereirwe okushagika abakazi kurebeka ngo babasa kwakahakana n'abasheja mbintu biri mu science na technology utiriho na engineering kandi gwabagushagikira itendekero irya Kabale University utiriho n'ibindi betongore betari bimwe na bimwe biri mu International Mathematical Union, the European Mathematical Society Committee for Developing Countries na International Science Program.